Yeah, there's quite a... I apologize for this, guys. You know, somebody out there, you're on a cell phone, you're causing a lot of feedback. If you're on a cell phone, please do us all a favor. I know it's an inconvenience for you personally, but if you could do us all a favor, hang up and call back in, it'll probably get rid of that really bad echo. I really appreciate it, and I apologize. Okay, that seems to have done it. Okay, so our first point is going to be watching this low and this high as the market trades into, what is this again? Another pennant formation. So whenever the market's going to break, we can anticipate a break and have a game plan for much lower prices if it does manage to break out. Okay, so let's go erase this, go to normal mode here. Now we're going to go down to a daily bar. I'm going to expand this just a little bit. Okay. Now is when we can start to see the patterns come into play here. And you can see, yeah, we can hear you. If you can hold your questions and your comments, please. Everybody can hear you on the line. Okay, you can see here, there's the top of the flag, here's the bottom of the flag, here's the pole. Okay? So now that we've gotten to Okay, I apologize for that. Hopefully you can... Okay, hopefully you can still hear me. Yeah, I'm still here. Hopefully you can still hear me. Okay, let me take a pause here. Can everybody hear me? Can everybody hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, everybody. Okay, again, I'm going to try and go through this quick here. We've only got a couple more minutes. I apologize for the audio cutting out there. Again, there was a snafu. Everybody's on the line as a presenter, so if you can hold your comments and your questions, we can get through this a whole lot faster because everybody can hear you, and there's no way that I can mute this out. I know there have been some technical difficulties, but please, I'm recording all of this so you'll be able to get onto the member site and see it. We're also going to be doing another web seminar later on in the week. I promise you we will iron through all these technical difficulties if you can just be patient with us. There's a lot of technology that's going on here. And listen, I'm just as frustrated with this stuff as you are. But believe me, this will be recorded and on the website for you. So what I was saying is, once we've drilled in now, we're looking at the daily bar. We can see an overall pattern here. And the overall pattern is the flag. Okay, and the flag, now that I'm filling it in, is shaped like, well, an American flag, if you will. So there you go. I know it's pretty sloppy, but you can hopefully see the whole outline there. So once we've got the long-term plan, now is when we want to go in. And the reason why we're looking for these patterns is because we want to verify that the professional money are making decisions where we think and where we're planning. So now, as we've zoomed in here, we've got more lines. This line and this line. The top line is from January of 2007. This line here is from November or December of 2006. These are going to be decision points for the market, so we're going to want to keep them in mind. Let me erase these lines now. So what are we planning for? Well, we're planning that the market is going to move into a consolidation right into this support zone. Well, what does that mean? Well, what it means is that we should see some repeatable patterns as we start to drill down now. So as we start drilling down, now we're looking at a 4-hour bar. And believe me,